Welcome to Meghalaya, the land where clouds kiss the earth, waterfalls dive from dizzying heights, and nature writes poetry in every drop of rain, tucked away in the northeast of India. Meghalaya is a treasure trove of wonder and tranquility. Today we journey through six iconic destinations that make the state truly unforgettable. First, we arrive at Umayam Lake, often called Garapani. This serene sprawling reservoir is more than just a scenic spot. It's a soul smoothing escape surrounded by pine forest. Whether you are gliding through its waters in a kayak or sipping tea by the shore, Umiam offers a peaceful start to your Meghalaya adventure. Next, we visit the Eco Park in Cherrapunji, situated on a high plateau. This late sanctuary offers panoramic views of the silhouette plains of Bangladesh and cradles rare orchid native to Meghalaya. It's a perfect blend of quiet contemplation and natural beauty. Just a few kilometers away lies one of Meghalaya's grandest spectacles, the Seven Sisters waterfall. This majestic wonder features seven streams tumbling side by side from over 1,000 feet. It's a perfect breathtaking during the monsoon, when the land comes alive with rhythm and roar. Closer to the capital city, Elephant Falls offers a more intimate yet equally mesmerizing experience. Named after a rock that once resembled an elephant, these three cascading layers of water are a favorite among photographers, natural lovers, and those seeking a peaceful retreat. And now we arrive in Shillong, the Scotland of the East. This charming hill station blends colonial architecture with a youthful vibe, from cozy cafes and bustling bazaars to the melodies of local rock bands. Shillong is where culture, nature, and community live in perfect harmony. No visit to Meghalaya is incomplete without witnessing its most extraordinary feat of bioengineering, the single living road bridge in non-grade, grown, not built. These bridges are made by guiding the roots of ancient rubber trees across streams. Strong, alive, and centuries old, they are testament to the deep connection between the Khasi people and their land. From the still waters of Umayam to the living bridges of Nongret, Meghalaya is not just a place, it's a feeling. A living, breathing world of wonder waiting to be explored. Let nature slow you down and let Meghalaya take you higher. Meghalaya, one of India's most enchanting and rain-soaked states, aptly named the Abode of Clouds. Tucked away in the northeastern hills, Meghalaya is a paradise of rolling green landscapes, misty valleys, and cascading waterfalls. From the vibrant capital of Shillong, often called the Scotland of the East, to the living root bridges of Cherrapunji and Mawlynnong, nature and tradition thrive in harmony. Here clouds dance over the ancient Khasi, Jaintia, and Garo hills, home to rich indigenous culture, warm hospitality, and unique festivals. The people of Meghalaya take pride in their traditions, where family lineage passes through the mother. Whether you are trekking through the dense forest, listening to the rain drum against tin roofs, or tasting the spicy jardo and smoked meats, Meghalaya offers an unforgettable journey through scenery and soul. So come explore Meghalaya, where every drop of rain tells a story and every path leads to beauty.